Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to find a lost TV remote. Method 1. Install Google Home app in mobile phone. I already installed. Let me open. Then log in with the Gmail ID and password. After that, tap on this devices tab. So here we need to add our TV. You can use this add button and add the TV. I already added TV here. You can see the TV name. Tap on TV name. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner, and here you can see find my remote. Tap on find my remote. Tap on play sound. Now it's playing sound in remote, so that way we can easily find lost remote. If you want to stop this sound, you can press any button on the remote or tap here stop. Done. So this way we can find lost TV remote. This is a method 1. Method 2. In some TV you can find a dedicated button to play sound in remote. You just press that button, it will play sound in remote, so that way we can easily find remote. That is a method 2. So these are two methods. We can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.